The chess world has been thrown into after the of the International Chess Federation FIDE, Arkady Dvorkovich, announced in a statement that he was stepping aside after being included on the European Union's latest sanctions list. The statement also said Grandmaster Vishwanath Anand, an Indian world chess champion, would take over as the federation's interim president. Dvorkovich, a former deputy prime minister of Russia and advisor to the Kremlin, denounced the EU move as unlawful and unfair and pledged to challenge it. The 54-year-old faces an EU travel ban and assets freeze. The EU's approved 21st sanctions package issued in connection with Russia's 2022 invasion of Ukraine imposes punitive measures against 170 entities and 48 individuals. Dvorkovich, who has led FIDE since 2018, had announced last month he would seek re-election to the presidency. The election is scheduled to take place at FIDE's General Assembly at September's Chess Olympiad in Uzbekistan. The federation suspended Russia on June 11 following a court of arbitration for sport ruling.